Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are on a journey of personal transformation, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into chapter 2 of my book, What If I Am Never Alone? In this chapter, we explore the powerful concept of harmony, how the atmosphere of our environment reflects the state of our mind and soul. Stick around because, in this video, you will uncover how creating inner and outer harmony can lead to transformational behaviors like peace, unity, joy, love, tranquility, and heightened awareness. These are the keys to living a balanced and fulfilling life. So, if you are ready for more, hit that subscribe button and like this video. It helps more people discover this life-changing content, and it keeps you connected to all the upcoming chapters. Let us get started. Chapter 2, Harmony. Day 2, Atmosphere. Have you ever walked outside on a perfect day where the air feels just and everything around you seems to hum with a quiet, peaceful energy? That is the atmosphere at work, creating a sense of harmony that resonates within us. When I think about the atmosphere, I picture those serene moments that seem to encapsulate a perfect balance, where everything just feels right. The atmosphere is not just the air we breathe. It is the emotional climate that surrounds us, shaping our moods and influencing our well-being. It is like walking into a room and feeling an instant sense of calm, or stepping outside on a stormy day and feeling the electricity in the air. This chapter is all about harnessing that sense of harmony in our lives, creating an emotional climate that supports our journey towards balance and transformation. I remember a time when my emotional climate was anything but harmonious. It felt like I was constantly battling storms within myself, my mind a whirlwind of chaos and confusion. During those times, I longed for peace, for a sense of balance that seemed so elusive. It was not until I started paying attention to the atmosphere around me, both literally and figuratively, that I began to find that inner harmony. Think about your own life for a moment. What kind of atmosphere surrounds you? Is it filled with tension and stress, or does it radiate calm and peace? Just as the Earth's atmosphere can be turbulent or serene, our emotional climate can shift and change. But we have the power to influence it, to create an environment that nurtures and supports us. One evening, after a particularly stressful day, I decided to take a walk to clear my mind. The sky was a deep shade of twilight blue, and a gentle breeze whispered through the trees. As I walked, I began to breathe more deeply, letting the calmness of the evening wash over me. At that moment, I realized that the harmony of the atmosphere outside was beginning to reflect inside me, soothing my frazzled nerves and bringing a sense of peace. It is amazing how much the natural world can teach us about harmony. Just as the atmosphere balances the elements, creating the perfect conditions for life, we can cultivate an emotional climate that balances our inner world. We can fill our surroundings with things that bring us joy and peace, creating a space where we can breathe freely and think clearly. So, how do we create this harmonious atmosphere in our own lives? It starts with awareness. Pay attention to the things that influence your mood, the people, the places, and the activities. Notice what brings you a sense of calm and what disrupts your peace. For me, it is spending time in nature, listening to music that soothes my soul, and surrounding myself with positive, supportive people. Once you are aware of what affects your emotional climate, take steps to cultivate harmony. It might mean setting boundaries with people who bring negativity into your life, or creating a space in your home where you can relax and recharge. It could be as simple as taking a few moments each day to breathe deeply and center yourself, or as profound as making significant changes to align your life with your values and desires. Remember, creating a harmonious atmosphere is an ongoing process. Just as the weather changes, so too will the conditions of your emotional climate. There will be days of sunshine and days of storms. With mindfulness and intention, you can cultivate a sense of balance and harmony that sustains you through it all. As we continue this journey, I encourage you to think about the atmosphere you want to create in your life. Imagine the peace and harmony you desire, and take steps to make it a reality. Together, we will explore how to harness the power of the atmosphere to create an emotional climate that supports our transformation, bringing us closer to the balance and harmony we seek. Let us embrace the harmony of the atmosphere and let it guide us towards a more peaceful, balanced, and fulfilling life. There was a time in my life when harmony seemed like a distant dream. I was working a demanding job that left me feeling drained and disconnected. Every day felt like a battle against the clock, with endless deadlines and a constant stream of urgent emails. My personal life was not any better. Strained relationships and unfulfilled goals added to the chaos. It felt as though I was living in a perpetual storm, with no clear skies in sight. One evening, after a particularly grueling day, I decided to take a walk in a nearby park. The sun was setting, casting a warm golden glow over everything. The air was crisp, with just a hint of the coming autumn. As I walked, the tension in my shoulders began to ease, and I found myself breathing more deeply, more freely. I sat down on a bench by a small pond, watching the water ripple gently in the breeze. Ducks glided across the surface, and the leaves of the trees rustled softly. At that moment, I felt a profound sense of peace, a harmony I had not experienced in a long time. The chaos of my day seemed to melt away, replaced by a deep, soothing calm. It was then that I realized how powerful the atmosphere around us can be. The natural world, with its inherent balance and harmony, can calm our minds and heal our spirits. I decided that I needed to bring more of this harmony into my daily life. The next day, I made some changes. I started my mornings with a few moments of quiet reflection, breathing deeply, and setting a positive intention for the day. I brought plants into my home and office, small reminders of the natural world's serenity. I even rearranged my workspace to create a more calming environment, with pictures of peaceful landscapes and a small water fountain. Gradually, I noticed a shift. The stress and tension did not disappear overnight, but I found that I could handle challenges with more grace and patience. My relationships improved as I became more present and attentive. I started to feel a sense of balance returning to my life. One weekend, I decided to revisit the park where I had had my moment of clarity. This time, I brought a notebook with me. As I sat by the pond, I began to write about the changes I had made and the harmony I was cultivating. The words flowed effortlessly, a testament to the inner peace I was beginning to feel. I realized that creating a harmonious atmosphere is not just about our physical surroundings, it is also about our inner landscape. It is about nurturing a mindset that values peace and balance, which seeks out beauty and tranquility even amid life's storms. As you read this, I hope you are inspired to think about the atmosphere in your own life. What changes can you make to create more harmony? Perhaps it is finding a quiet moment in your day to meditate, or surrounding yourself with things that bring you joy. Maybe it is spending more time in nature, letting its calm and balance wash over you. Remember, harmony is not a destination, but a journey. It is about continually seeking balance and peace, about creating an emotional climate that supports and sustains you. It is about finding those moments of tranquility, even when life feels overwhelming, and letting them guide you towards a more harmonious existence. Let us embrace the harmony of the atmosphere together, creating a life that resonates with peace, balance, and joy. We have the power to shape our emotional climate, to cultivate an inner and outer world that nurtures and inspires us. All it takes is a little intention and a lot of heart. Have you ever looked up at the sky and felt an overwhelming sense of peace? The sky, with its ever-changing moods, can mirror our emotional landscapes. On clear days, it can fill us with a sense of limitless possibility. On stormy days, it can reflect our inner turmoil. Understanding this connection can help us create harmony within ourselves, aligning our inner weather with the calm we seek. I vividly remember a morning when the sky mirrored my emotions perfectly. I had woken up feeling anxious and restless, the weight of unspoken worries pressing heavily on my chest. As I stepped outside, I noticed the sky was covered with thick, gray clouds, threatening rain. It felt like the world was echoing my inner state, a tangible manifestation of my unease. Determined to find some peace, I decided to take a walk despite the looming weather. I made my way to a spot, a secluded beachside, where the horizon stretched endlessly, offering a sense of infinite calm. The wind was picking up, lashing on my face, and the waves crashed with a kind of furious energy. Yet, amidst the chaos, there was a strange beauty, a raw, unfiltered expression of nature's power. As I stood there, watching the storm clouds gather, I felt a shift within me. The tumultuous sky began to feel like a reflection of my inner storm, and in recognizing this, I felt a sense of connection and understanding. I started to breathe deeply, matching my breaths to the rhythm of the waves. Slowly, the tension began to melt away, replaced by a profound sense of calm. In that moment, I realized the importance of aligning our inner weather with the world around us. Just as the sky moves through cycles of calm and storm, so do we. And just as the atmosphere finds balance, so can we, by acknowledging our emotions and letting them pass naturally without resistance. Creating harmony is not about avoiding storms, but about finding peace within them. It is about understanding that our emotional climate will inevitably change, and that is okay. By embracing these changes and aligning ourselves with the natural rhythms of the world, we can find a deeper, more lasting sense of peace. When you are feeling overwhelmed, take a moment to look at the sky. Let it remind you that, just like the weather, your emotions are fluid and ever-changing. Find a quiet place where you can breathe and reflect, letting the natural world guide you back to a state of harmony. Consider how you can bring this sense of outer calm into your daily life. Maybe it is through meditation that you can visualize the sky and imagine your worries drifting away like clouds. Or perhaps it is simply taking a few moments each day to step outside, feel the breeze, and reconnect with nature. Creating an emotional climate of harmony means acknowledging our storms and finding peace within them. It is about aligning our inner sky with the vast, calm expanse above us, allowing the natural world to soothe and inspire us. As we continue this journey of transformation, remember that harmony is within your reach. Embrace the moods of your inner sky, let the atmosphere guide you, and cultivate a sense of peace that carries you through every storm. Tea time exercise: thoughts, emotions, and action. A 10-minute visualization and centering exercise. Imagine finding a quiet, comfortable space where you can relax and immerse yourself in a journey of inner harmony. This visualization and centering session is designed to help you connect with the balance and tranquility of the atmosphere, creating a harmonious emotional climate within you. First, find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath, feeling the air fill your lungs and then gently release it. Do this a few times, allowing yourself to relax more with each breath. Feel the tension in your body start to melt away, replaced by a sense of calm. Now, I want you to picture yourself standing in a wide open field. The sky above is a brilliant blue, dotted with soft white clouds drifting lazily across the horizon. The sun is warm on your skin, and a gentle breeze rustles through the tall grass around you. This is your place of peace, where you can connect with the harmony of the natural world. As you stand in this field, take a moment to feel the ground beneath your feet. Imagine the stability of the earth supporting you, grounding you. With each breath, feel more connected to this sense of stability, letting it anchor you in the present moment. Now, shift your focus to the sky above. Watch as the clouds move slowly, effortlessly. They remind you that, just like the sky, your thoughts and emotions are ever-changing. Allow yourself to feel the lightness and freedom of the clouds, knowing that you too can float above your worries and concerns. Imagine the atmosphere around you as a gentle, protective bubble. This bubble is filled with a soft, calming light that radiates peace and harmony. As you breathe in, visualize this light filling your body, bringing warmth and relaxation to every part of you. With each exhale, imagine releasing any tension or negativity, letting it dissolve into the air. In this state of calm, begin to visualize a path leading from the field to a serene beach. Follow this path, feeling the sand beneath your feet as you walk towards the sound of the waves. The rhythmic crashing of the ocean is soothing, and you find a comfortable spot to sit and watch the water. As you gaze out at the sea, notice how the water moves fluidly, always in motion, yet always at peace. Let this image remind you of the fluidity within yourself, the ability to adapt and flow with life's changes while maintaining an inner sense of calm. Feel the harmony of the water merging with your own emotions, creating a balance that sustains you. Now, turn your attention to the horizon where the sky meets the sea. This line represents the balance between your outer and inner worlds. Imagine a warm, golden light where the two meet, symbolizing the harmony you are creating within yourself. Allow this light to fill your heart, radiating outwards and encompassing your entire being. As you sit here, basking in the tranquility of this scene, take a moment to reflect on the harmony you have cultivated. Think about the atmosphere you want to create in your daily life and how you can bring this sense of peace and balance into every moment. Visualize yourself carrying this harmony with you, no matter where you are or what challenges you face. Stay in this peaceful state for as long as you like, letting the sounds of the ocean and the warmth of the sun envelop you. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch gently, and take a deep breath. As you open your eyes, take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of harmony with you throughout your day, remembering that you have the power to create an emotional climate that supports and sustains you. This visualization and centering session is a reminder that harmony is within your reach. By connecting with the natural world and aligning your inner and outer atmospheres, you can cultivate a balanced, peaceful state of being. Embrace this harmony and let it guide you on your journey of transformation. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of Chapter 2. Your support means everything to me. Please leave a comment below to let me know you made it through. I did love to hear your thoughts. And if you found value in this, do not forget to subscribe and click the like button. It helps my video reach a wider audience, allowing more people to benefit from these insights. If you are seeking to become more peaceful and deeply connected with your true self, beyond the false identities of depression, fear, low mood, and anxiety, consistency is key. Remember, victory comes through devotion and persistence. The only obstacles are your lack of consistency, resistance to new thoughts, attachment to the visible past, and clinging to old habits. If you are looking for additional guidance, do not hesitate to reach out for mentorship. I will link all the details in the description below. I truly wish for you to experience this transformation. Stay dedicated, keep growing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next chapter.